guys, Ben at RC Shack. So I've been really busy filming and doing some bits and bobs, so I've been a bit late on Ben's Hack of the Week. I do apologise. Nevertheless, we are here, Ben's Hack of the Week. So, winches. My Hack of the Week is about winching. So winches are expensive. You want to start spending money on winches and to dig yourself out of situations, or you do competitions, tandem, pull yourself around, you need a winch. They're expensive. If you don't pay good money, pay cheap, pay twice. I'll say it, guys. You know, these twin motor winches, depending on the sort of load of your rig, you know, it can cost a lot of money. My hack is, as they call it in the crawling industry, a kinetic winch. So let's face it, guys, kinetic winching, what are we actually talking about? An elastic band, aren't we? We're talking about a rubber band, whether it be made of a material or whatever, an elastic band. And by stretching an elastic band, you hold kinetic energy. And we can release that energy, can't we, by letting go, or use it to help us pull our rigs. So if you look up kinetic towing and stuff, someone out there is selling them, they're ridiculous money. It's an elastic band with some hooks on the end. So my hack of the week is, if you can't afford a winch, or if you can't be bothered pulling the winch line in and out and you just need a quick help me get out of here, elastic. Okay, so this is a material elastic. I like it because it's flat. This was £1 in a very reputable high street store. They have very large complexes. I think we all know them as Poundland, where not everything is a pound, but this is £1. So believe it or not. So yeah, elastic. It's brilliant stuff. It's flat. So you can argue how do you attach stuff to it, and I'm just going to show you a real quick little way of doing it. Other places like Poundland and B&M and all sorts of, they all sell it. You know, your local corner shop will probably sell this stuff. It comes in, I think this is over 2 meters, 2.5 meters something. Great stuff. So, a quick kinetic winch, it depends how you're having them. Either they're always attached to your vehicle and you just pull it out from the front, stick your winch in and it's already pulling and you start driving. In competitions, you can call a winch and it's attached to a stick, and you put the stick in the ground and from the stick to the truck, and that's the direction you pull it in. That's just a quick winch. So I make them nice and simple. We all have the metal hooks. They're normally red. Somewhere up there, put away is the red hook. This one's painted brown, so it's a metal red hook. A key ring, little swivel, a little key ring clip, twisty clip thing, you know, the ones that haven't got nails you can't use, bloody things. Then I have other types of hooks as well. This is what I'm making for myself. These are floor hooks, ceiling hooks. These come on a wire. And they hang ceilings, and you can thread the wire by pushing them up and down, and they're clever little things. But so I'm using them on one end and that on the other with the hook. So I hear you say, that'll just rip out, Ben. That'll pull out. Nope. This is where the next product our reputable high street seller also sells. Cheap super glue. Cheap CA glue. This is Rapide super glue. It's brilliant stuff. It's cheap as well. I think it's £1.20. I think I paid for that for 20 grams. It's really thin, this stuff. It's rubbish at a lot of jobs, but it's really thin, and it's good for materials, and that's a quick compound. If you put it on this and just squeeze it together gently, lick your finger first so they're wet so they don't stick, you can actually make this a very, very tough. I can pull on that ring. I'll bend the ring out. Drill a hole in it and attach your hook. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Absolutely brilliant. Then the other end, I'm going a bit fancy. So I've just CA glued either side at the minute, just to show other people what you can do. And this is the hooks, what they look like. Might take the catch out of it to make it quicker. And then what I do is I get something like guitar strings. Guitar strings are brilliant, guys, for doing whipping. Wrapping something up. Get a guitar string. You can obviously pick the gauge you want, and then put it onto the wire, and obviously wrap round and round. CA glue it, hold it in place, let the CA glue go off, drop it off. You can then dip them in resin, or you could use an Araldite epoxy 2-part epoxy glue. The same again our reputable high street retailer, also sells epoxy glue. I think I bought mine double tubes for a couple of quid. Very, very good. I haven't gotten to hand though. Everything is put away at the minute. So, back to it. Hack of the week. Want to get out of trouble? Want to do a bit of kinetic towing with an elastic band? They're brilliant, guys. Hook them on. Put the pull to where you want. You'll be surprised at how much energy this is actually pulling. It'll help you. So go for it, guys. This one I've doubled up to make it extra strong. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you're making. Let me know. Let me get hold of me and tell me what you're using for elastic towing, for kinetic towing, guys. Let me know what you're using. Ben's hack of the week. Go and go some 99p elastic from Pound Stretcher. Get some hooks on it. Go and have fun, guys. Nice one. Cheers. Bye bye.